In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little AliPearl. Whoa. Cut the cameras. Run it back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sifon, or Sifon Isidore by the name of this channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would definitely love for you to stick around. You know what, just go ahead and subscribe. Also, for those of y'all who've been here for a second, third, or fourth time, what's stopping you? Just make the commitment. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know? Let's make something shake. Hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. Today I'm going to be giving you a little AliPearl hair review. Yeah, I bought this unit back in September of 2018, so it's about to be 2 years of me owning this unit. So I feel like I'm knowledgeable about this unit. I've made it work. I've colored it. I've done it all. Like, let me go ahead and get started with this review. First things first, I ordered two 12-inch bundles and a 12-inch frontal. In total, that came out to be $115. And after I think I had to pay for shipping. I can't remember. It's not showing me on the invoice over here, but yeah, I paid about $115 in total for the hair and everything, and it came about in about like 5 days. I didn't really wait that long for the hair to come in. Like, I ordered it on the 28th, I think, which was a Friday, 28th of September 2018, I think, which was a Friday, and it was there by like the Tuesday or Wednesday. And basically, when I first got that wig, you know, the usual, I bleached the knots, I washed the hair, and I made the wig. During the whole knot bleaching process, the frontal, the lace picked up color, like, not picked up color, like, took well with the bleach. It didn't bleach any of the actual roots, it just bleached the knots. The knots looked very seamless. And then I washed it out with some purple shampoo to get rid of the brassiness, like, you know, the usual. If you want a video of me, like, my wig making process and wig process from start to end, just go ahead and let me know. I did also film a hair tutorial on how I did this, so this is another reason why you need to subscribe. Like, come on now, so you don't miss stuff like this. Like, I have all these videos lined up and you don't want to be that person missing out. So go ahead and just hit that subscribe button so you will know exactly when I post. It'll show up in your subscription. You don't have to go looking for me, or you don't have to fingers crossed I show up on your explore page for YouTube. But that's besides the point. Let's get back into this review. Like I was saying, the hair took the frontal took the bleach really nicely, and the knots bleached really nicely. Washed it with some purple shampoo, made the wig. There wasn't much tangling, all of that. I've washed it. You can imagine how many times I've washed this when I first got this wig, seeing it's almost 2 years. But each time the hair wasn't any less manageable, because you know, sometimes when you order AliExpress hair, the more you wash it, the less manageable it becomes. Yeah, the hair just stayed pretty consistent. It takes heat really well. Like, when I straighten it, when I truly like sit down and like go portion by portion and straighten it, like kind of like a silk press, this hair is beautiful. Like, it'll stay straight for a minute. The color, I kept it black up until February of 2020, so it wasn't until like 2 months ago I colored this. So basically, I put bleach in it with some 30 volume developer, trying to do like some highlight low lights with some browns and blacks. And the hair took bleach really quickly, really nicely. It didn't fry the hair. The hair is still very manageable. Like, when I tell you, the one thing I could tell you about this hair is, like, it is super duper manageable. Like, girl, I didn't expect it from AliExpress hair. Like, it is super manageable, and that's like the #1 selling point when it comes to this wig. Like, I would definitely recommend this wig to anyone on the platform alone, that it is very manageable, easy to style, you know, the usual. It doesn't mat up in the back. Like, I can run my finger through it, like you can see it doesn't mat up in the back. Like, this hair is nice, and I would definitely recommend you to purchase it if you're ever looking for like a nice little bob. Get you some 2 bundles, $115. I feel like that's a steal for hair that's pretty good. But yeah, thank y'all for sticking around to the very end. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can go ahead and check out all my other content, and it's gonna be up on the screen for you to click on. You can also click on the screen to go ahead and subscribe to me. Like I said, thank you for making it to the end.